Hello RTEs. Today we have a short update video for you what we have implemented for the RTE Cockpit in April. Some really cool features. You can now also get the dependencies from the XLSX download. This gives you the possibility to transfer even the links between sticky notes into your ALM tool after a PI planning. Under the second step, Teams, when you configure a new session, you can find a new checkbox with the title Show Advanced Settings. This lists all teams again. What is this good for? As you might know, teams can only see the sessions they are assigned. These teams also have a team board and a swim lane on the program board. With this setting, you can still select the teams that have access to a session but should not have their own team board and swim lane on the program board. Again, what is this good for? You can, for example, create 3 teams with the names of your arts. You make a session called Solution Board, and in the upper part, you choose the 3 arts. In the lower part, you give all teams access to this session. After, you can use the program board in this solution board session to visualize your Cross-ART-Dependencies, for example. These are the RTE Cockpit features we developed for you in April. I hope they make planning easier. We could only implement these features thanks to your feedback, so we are always happy to receive your suggestions for improvement. I wish you further successful remote PI plannings, and thanks for watching.